It's the 1 year anniversary of me starting this series, and we're still going strong, with another month of top game jams to check out. Once upon a time, someone decided it would be fun to host a game jam around the theme of fairy tales. This is that jam. You have 3 months to create a visual novel themed around fairy tales, so what are you waiting for? Go enjoy your happily ever after. It's October, so we knew there would be some spooky jams this season, and here's one of them. This one is a fairly standard jam. It's a month long, it has a theme, you can use any engine, just a regular old jam, but for Spooktober. Instead of spending the entire month thinking about the spooky season, how about just spending a weekend focusing on fall itself and how cozy it can be? Cozy Fall Jam 2023 runs for 4 days, so grab a hot drink, relax, and make something fun. My pick for the month, as it seemed too good to not include, the Billboard Jam gives you 10 days to make a game inspired by your favourite or least favourite billboard, using its image as the title screen. Oh, and the Judges' Choice games will be displayed on a digital billboard after the jam, so that's cool. It looks like I may have unintentionally saved the best till last, as this is the most joined jam of the upcoming month. The Scream Jam 2023 wants you to make a horror themed game, but you can go for a Halloween twist if you'd like. Just be sure to flag any content that could be particularly sensitive to some players. And that's the list for this month. If you think I've missed any important jams, let me know in the comments below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.